Hello, this is Bill Ashby with the Maryland Department of Environment, Dam Safety Division. I'm going to go over with you how to use StreamStats for creating watershed shapefiles for use with the Maryland Dam Safety's PMP evaluation tool. I just want to let you know that StreamStats isn't a precise watershed tool, but it's an acceptable application in determining the regional characteristics that are used in determining PMP. So first thing we do is launch StreamStats, which is a USGS application used throughout the United States. And you can either enter the location that you're looking for. I find it easier to either double click or scroll into the area that you are looking for. So I'm going to pick a location out in western Maryland near the town of Oakland called Broadford Lake, which is a water supply and recreational facility located near Oakland Mountain Lake Park. And as we scroll in, we can get a little closer. You'll notice that over on the left-hand side, it'll say to select a state or regional study area. That's the really the data associated with watershed delineation. So we're going to pick Maryland, obviously. And we still have to get in a little tighter for it to enable the delineation tool. So we move in a little closer, and then you'll see these blue squares pop up that we can now delineate the watershed. We click on delineate, find a blue square to click downstream of the watershed that you're looking for. So I click a spot there. It says that I have clicked a valid point, and I wait for the watershed to develop. Once the watershed has been delineated, it will fill the screen. It'll pop up on your screen, and you can look to see if that's really what you expected or not. If you don't like the watershed, you could go, you'll see here in a second, you can clear the basin and try again. Click on another blue square somewhere else, and it'll redelineate the watershed for you. Over here, clear basin or edit basin. Also, just for your information, StreamStats can provide a lot of other scenarios and reports associated with the watershed, but for our purposes, all we're looking for is just the basin shapefile. So we click on download basin, and you'll see 3 different types of shapefiles we can get, or different kind of files we can get. We want the shapefile. So when we click it, it will now be downloaded into your downloads folder on your computer. The file, it'll be a zip file called download. In download, you'll have layers and a disclaimer. You double click the layers, and you'll see your shapefiles. One set of the data is global watershed, and that includes the feature geometry, the shape index, attribute information, and the projection file. Those 4 files that constitute the shapefile. One's global watershed, the other is global watershed point. Global watershed point represents the blue square that we clicked. You will want to gather the information associated with global watershed. I would then take those 4 files, put them in a shapefile directory associated with your project, and then you can use that and pull that into the ArcGIS Pro based Maryland PMP evaluation tool. That's all there is to it in creating shapefile using StreamStats. If you have any questions, you can contact us at MDE Dam Safety. Thank you very much.